In this video, I am going to tell you the 5 ways and 1 hub tool that will help you make the best, effective, and meaningful notes ever. This is a unique technique which provides you with a crystal clear image of each chapter, helping you reproduce them easily on the exam sheet. Studies show that students who take better notes perform better. Note making is not copying huge chunks of information from books to the note. Notes should act as a trigger to help you recall whatever you have read or heard. The purpose of note making is simple: to help you study better. It must answer 5 ways and 1 hub tool. These are the questions: why, what, where, when, whom, and how. P.S. It is best if you create your own questions too. Step 1. Underline and write down key points, theories, definition, formulas, facts, etc. Step 2. Assign each paragraph a keyword and then use the 5 ways and 1 hub tool to ask the questions what, when, where, why, whom, and how. Answer them in a separate sheet of paper in a simple and brief form. You can now write effective notes, but the real challenge is when your textbook has too long paragraphs. You might be demotivated to study, but fear not. Whenever you encounter really long paragraphs, then read it twice. One time to get an idea, then the second time to make notes. Like this, you'll be motivated to study throughout the textbook. Glance through the chapter once just before the class. Pay attention during the class to note down and understand properly. After the class, reorganize your notes and follow the note making technique which I mentioned before. If you wish, create flowcharts. Study as if tomorrow is a final exam. Set a timer of 30 minutes to read the chapter and make notes, another 10 minutes to read and revise, another 20-30 minutes to study from all the resources you ever have. Then read from question banks. Now why question banks? Because that is going to help you prepare for more questions which can come in the exam, and also try solving it before you see the answers. And now here comes the most important part of studying: revision. The best technique to revise is that after you study, while revising, you can consider yourself as a person who knows nothing about the chapter you have to study, and then you can teach yourself what you have learnt again. You can even use a pen and paper or a whiteboard. The point is that when you teach yourself, you remember and revise really well. If you are having really less time for yourself due to time taken by school, tuitions, coaching, or whatever, if you want to manage your daily tasks by taking just a few minutes of planning with a template, if you want to manage your time efficiently, stay tuned for another video dropping in a few days. Believe me, in that video I will talk about a really effective method which can change your life positively. Thank you guys, see you later.